Hello everyone, this is Jim Ogarzinski with your week 2 screencast video. So now that everybody has gotten to know each other, we take a look at the schedule. Everybody should have worked through the first week of activity. So this week, according to the schedule, Tuesday, Friday, Sunday, once again, are our due dates. Exercises 1.5 from chapter 1. Exercise 2.1 from chapter 2, and also we have what's a good source discussion board 6. So once again, we have some significant discussion board activities. So your first stop should be the course unit. I'm going to be splitting this up into two basic units here for week 2. We've got chapter 1, which is part of week 1, but also week 2. You want to focus on these particular sections in chapter 1. I'll have a chapter 1 lecture video posted during the week. And then you have discussion boards 4 through 6 will be due. Once again, the discussion boards, you can review the activity here. Discussion board 4 is our actual research proposal. So I'll cover this a little bit more in the lecture video during week 2. You'll have an idea of actually it's pretty a straightforward discussion board there about trying to establish a potential topic for your research project. And then exercise 2.1 on page 46 in the researcher, we'll talk about keywords and sources, and then ultimately we'll look at evaluating what is a good source for your research project. So there's once again 3 boards that'll be due during week 2. All right, so the idea here is we're going to begin moving. Let me get back up to the announcements page. And the schedule, we're going to be moving toward the research topic and establishing that, discussing source material. There'll be some significant back and forth about topics and direction. That is always the purpose of exercise 1.5. All right. We'll talk a little bit more in the lecture video about the annotated bibliography, which will be your first big assignment. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Thank you and good luck.